guys! I received parcel today. I received came from Amazon, my Amazon wish list, which is there's someone to giving me their purchase order in my Amazon, and I think, let's see, and I didn't know. I had hint that there's someone giving me that. I don't know. Let's gonna see who is someone giving me this wish list. But I have hint na who is that person. Okay, so let's see, because inside of there's a name. So hopefully, but look at my parcel, guys. It look like they are open now. Look, but let's see. Thank you. I'm very, very happy. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Oh my God. What is that? Oh. Oh my God. I see the bag. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Look. Wow. I thought it's not a bag. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord. It was nice. Oh my God, this one is very social. Oh my God. Wait. Oh, I have sandal also. Uy. Let's see if it suits me. 26, yeah, maybe. I'm 26, so let's try. Oh, it's fit. Oh my God. Oh, is someone sending me this one? You're so very, very good. Very good. You're guapo. You're very, very good, huh? You know how. Okay. I think there's no message. Okay. Let's see. But I really, really like the one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord. Let's see. It was black. Maybe this is Sir Chad. Sir Chad came from Sir Chad, because Sir Chad before he is telling me that he gonna order my Amazon wishlist, which is they're going here like 13 to 14, 13 to 14, but it's early, it's 12 pa, so oh, Sir Chad, I know you. I know. Is this you? Is this came from you? Ah, thank you, Sir Chad. Love lots ka sa akin. My God bless you, Sir Chad. Let's see the bag inside. Oh my God! Oh, I'm look like Madam this one, Sir Chad. Oh my God! Let's see. Oh my God! Oh, this is nice. Oh, they have three. Oh, they have three. 1, 2, 3. 3 compartment. Oh, they have my God. Very cute. I like it so much. Look. My God. There's no message. Oh, they have another also on a leash. There's no message, but I know right that Sir Shad is giving me this one because he is the only one talk to me that he gonna. Oh my God! Thank you for this. I love black. I love very black so much. Thank you, Sir Chad. Thank you so much. I love it so much. I'm not kissing this one, huh? This one only. Let's picture this one. Yay! Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Sir Chad. May God bless you. Uy, I think this is suit on my black dress also. So it's very perfect to my black dress, Sir Chad. Thank you so much.